Did you want to connect your Spotify account to your Discord account and you have no clue how to do that? Then yes, you have just opened the right video. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will be exactly showing you guys how to connect your Spotify account to Discord account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to internet. Now let's jump into the process. Open your Discord app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now at the middle section, you can see the option of connections. Tap on that. Now at the top right corner, you can see the option of add. Tap on that. Now here you can see different options. You can also connect your Discord account with Facebook, GitHub, Reddit and so on. Here you have to choose the option of Spotify. You can see that my Spotify account is connected to Discord. In this way, you can easily connect your Spotify account to your Discord account. I hope you find this video helpful. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.